Hi, welcome back to the PhotoshopTrainingChannel.com. I'm Jesus Ramirez. In this 90-second Photoshop tip, I'm going to show you how to easily crop and resize an image using the dimensions and resolution of another. We will use a little-known feature within the crop tool. Let me show you how it works. I have two images open. The first is 720 pixels wide by 1280 pixels tall with a resolution of 72. The second image is 1920 pixels wide by 1080 tall with a resolution of 300. The first image will be our target photo. I want to make my second image exactly the same size and resolution as the first. And to do so, we will use this amazing feature within the crop tool that most people don't know. After you see the technique, let me know in the comments if it was new to you or if you're using it already. First, go to the document whose dimensions and resolutions you want to use for the crop. Then, from the toolbar, select the crop tool. In the options bar, click on the drop-down and select this command that you probably haven't noticed before. Front image. The front image command will copy the dimensions and resolution of the current photo onto the crop tool. You can now see these settings applied to the crop tool in the options bar. Then go into the document that you want to resize and click and drag on the corner handles to adjust your crop. Once you commit your crop, your image will be the same size and resolution as the original. The most amazing part is that no matter how large or small you make your crop, you will always get the same dimensions and resolution that you set on the front image command. Click on the like button now if this feature was new to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new Photoshop tips and tricks. If you want to learn more hidden Photoshop tips and tricks, then check out my tutorial, 19 amazing Photoshop tips, tricks, and hacks that you probably don't know. I'll place a link right below in the description. Thank you so much for watching.